Weaning can be assessed by monitoring parameters such as RSBI, lung compliance, resistance, negative inspiratory force which is NIF, and occlusion pressure which is P0.1. Among these parameters, RSBI and dynamic compliance are continuously monitored and can be viewed in the monitored parameter panel on the right hand side of the screen. For static compliance, navigate to inspiratory hold under static assessments in the maneuvers section. For NIF, select maneuvers from the main menu and proceed to NIF. NIF represents the maximum inspiratory pressure generated by the patient during inhalation. Ensure that the flow rate at the end of expiration is 0. Click the start button and instruct the patient to inhale as forcefully as possible. The NIF generated by the patient will be recorded at this point. For P0.1, select maneuvers from the main menu and access P0.1. P0.1 indicates the pressure generated by the patient within the first 0.1 seconds of spontaneous inspiration. Ensure that the flow rate at the end of expiration is 0. Click the start button and record the P0.1 reading. This measurement helps assess the patient's spontaneous triggering ability.